Hey guys, Linux here today with another video, and today I'm playing Pokemon Advanced, not Pokemon Advanced, Pokemon Fighters EX, cause I'm playing it. As you know, I got Patronic Marshadow, well, basically I don't know what I'm doing. I made this video that is private, that no one should find out. I can only tell you one thing, is the Great Marshadow speech. You will never find out what the Great Marshadow speech is. And my Pokemon Fighters EX is broken. Now I'll play this other game called Pokemon Rapids, because there's basically nothing to do, because I have all legends now. But I'm just waiting for the Regigigas event. So basically, like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago I got Patronic Marshadow for doing method 1 to get Patronic Marshadow. There's 2 methods. The event is still on. You have 2 days left. 2 days, and then the event ends. So basically, to get Patronic Marshadow, that's method 1. So you need normal Marshadow. That's Patronic, basically, pink Patronic. So you need normal Marshadow, and basically what you gotta do is, so a Patronic Shuckle has to come to, I'll show you the spawn, and the video spawns. So basically, you have to go to Reshiram spawn and stand in this place when I get there. So getting there. So basically, you had to be Marshadow. Shuckle will stand like here, like right here, because Shuckle's actually still on the copy. So basically, Shuckle will be standing over there. Reshiram's here. Yeah, Reshiram's here. This is the Reshiram spawn. So basically, you had to stand on the lava pit. Someone has Regigigas. So basically, you have to stand in the lava pit. So method 1 is stand in the lava pit. So you have to stand in the lava pit, and basically, so Shuckle will stand like outside the lava pit. So you have to stand on this lava pit. I keep saying that. So the Shuckle has to use withdraw, and while it's done that, you have to use Spectral Thief, and it says you get Patronic Marshadow. Method 2 is you have to get killed by Patronic Marshadow, and basically most, or in fact all of the Pokemon Fighters EX community has it, I could say, but so basically my music's broken. Yeah, Pokemon Fighters EX is broken for me, and now it's laggy. So basically, I don't know what I did. Oh, for Shuckle, you had to be a Pokemon that knew an explosive move. You had to use an explosive move on the Shuckle, and you had to kill the Shuckle with an explosive move to get Patronic Shuckle. And Patronic Scorpy, you had to light up a firework with fire type move, but fire punch won't work. I've already tried. I got what? Stay away. That's what you get. You shouldn't mess with Marshadow. So basically, I got Scorpy, then Shuckle, then Marshadow. Marshadow, it took me 1 day just to get it. After I heard about the Marshadow news going viral. I don't know what I'm doing now. So basically, now Tunata's back, and I'm happy about that. And I made so many animations for no reason. Some of them are the strangest animations. I'm not going to tell you how I screenshot and how I record videos without going onto the menu. Okay, so basically I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to summon. Yeah, let's go. Why is it lagging so much? We're going to do you. I don't know, I'm just gonna summon. Check his summons ready. And someone stole my summon! I hate you! Okay, I don't know. So bye. Thanks for watching.